Let me show you how to properly set up and use any Logitech mouse with a Windows PC or laptop. So first, if you have wireless mouse, you will probably need to open it up and grab your wireless adapter for it. Also make sure to insert the battery inside. And if you want to connect to a PC or laptop, it's very easy. So you see, for example, if you have this type of adapter with a regular USB, you can plug it straight away. Also, for example, if you get adapter like this, which for example converts regular USB to Type-C, you can also connect it to a Type-C port. Maybe if you have a laptop which doesn't have regular USB, so you can still use it if you have like that. And then you see, as soon as it's connected, the mouse is already starting to work. But if it's not, if you are having some problems, and also how to actually customize as well, let me show you. So what you, for example, want to do is you simply want to go in search and simply search for your mouse model. For example, on the back of it, you should be able to find it. For example, Logitech G305 drivers. So we have to download this Logitech G Hub software. So in the search I enter this one, or again you can search for Logitech G Hub. Okay, and over here in the Logitech website. Okay. So you see this Logitech G Hub appears here. So we can click download now. Once you download it, open it up and click open it and it will launch. So after a quick installation, you should see a window like this, essentially. And if you click over here on your mouse, as you see, you can configure various settings. First, as you see, for example, you can customize the various DPI levels. Again, all these mouses have various DPI presets, and we can even configure them through this software. For example, as you see, for example, if you want to configure the first level, you would simply take it and drag it here. Also, you see, for example, you can select which one you want to at the moment. Also on this mouse, so figure out where you have your DPI switch. Usually it's on the top. You see, if you press this, also it changes the DPI level here. You see, change also in the software. For example, you see, we can literally increase this to like absolutely crazy level here. So, and after each DPI changes, see, my mouse actually becomes a bit unresponsive and then start working here. So let's set as this one. This, in my opinion, is best for most PCs. Also, for example, here we can customize a performance mode, so high performance, or also low performance mode, where your battery can last for absolute ages. So on most Logitech mouses, at least a year. So in this low performance mode, for example, on this one, it literally lasts for 2 years on a single battery here. Also, if you want to customize the polling rate, so of your mouse, essentially the refresh rate of your mouse, how frequently it connects to your laptop and basically sends over the signal. So again, you have to disable the endurance mode, enable the performance mode to be able to customize these features. So you see, for example, on this one, we can enable 1000 polling rate. Also, if you click over here, you can also even customize the buttons. So individual buttons here on this mouse, for example. So if you want to customize, for example, find the stuff you want to customize. For example, see, you have different categories here. So simply, for example, if you want to set this as next track, so you simply drag on the button you want to customize for. So for example, if you want to customize this side button, so take the action and simply drag on it. Okay. So for example, if I press it, so you see my volume on my PC gets muted. If I press this, it would go to the next track. So set whatever you want to. Also over here, we can even update the firmware of the mouse here as well, if you want. And that's about it. Okay, good luck.